In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp, clearly and concisely. As someone who uses this handy tool to manage email campaigns, you know how important it is to keep everything polished and up to date before hitting that send button. So, let's dive right in and make sure your campaigns get the attention they deserve. First, let's address those draft campaigns. Imagine you've started crafting your email, but it's not quite ready to go live. To make changes, head to the Campaigns section on your Mailchimp dashboard and click on All Campaigns. Look for your draft campaign. It'll have a distinctive yellow icon signaling Draft in Progress. Once you've located your draft, click to open it. Inside, you'll find the Edit Design option, or it might say Resolve, depending on the version of Mailchimp you're using. Clicking this will open up the campaign builder where you can make any necessary tweaks or enhancements. Feel free to adjust your content, reorganize layouts, or do anything else needed to align with your vision. Now let's talk about instances when the campaign has already been sent. This is where things get a bit trickier. Once a campaign is sent out, Mailchimp unfortunately does not permit any changes to the content. This is primarily due to technical restrictions, ensuring the stability and integrity of your email and its delivery. However, all is not lost. One aspect you can alter is the campaign's name. So if you realize a mistake in the title or want to rebrand the campaign, you're free to do so at any time and as many times as necessary. For those subscribing to Mailchimp's premium plan, there's an extra lifeline. Premium users have the capability to cancel a campaign after it has been sent. But do keep in mind, this is a feature exclusive to those with this specific plan, making it essential for anyone who sends a high volume of essential emails. There's one final tweak you can make: the campaign's shareable URL. When sharing your campaign with others, sometimes a more personalized or corrected URL is necessary. Luckily, you can modify the URL, but only twice. To do this, locate your campaign's page, go to the Details section, and select Edit Campaign URL. Make your changes carefully to ensure your recipients get the correct link. And there you have it. Editing your campaign in Mailchimp, whether in draft form or after it's sent, doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, you can maintain a professional and polished presentation every time. Thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and apply the knowledge you've gained to refine your Mailchimp campaigns.